And hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So about 2 videos ago we talked about inserting data into a database, which if you could remember it was insert into the table name, and then you can add your optional options of what you want to insert, and then you can say values, and then the values you want to insert separated by commas. Today we'll be learning how to update data into a database. So if we say here order or where address is null, oh gosh, so where address is null, then as you may know, we probably have already get data in here. So let's say you contact lol because you have no idea what's going on here. You need their data. So what you can do is you can then say, just comment this out. You can say update. And in the table name, in this case, it is customers. And you can say set, which will set something, so set values. And you choose the column. So let's say you got his contact name. And you set that equal to Oliver. And you also got his city, and then you can go comma, separated by commas, and you can say city is equal to Tokyo. I don't know if Tokyo is actually a city, I think it is. But anyways, and you can go where, because you can't just insert the data or update something and you don't tell it where. So here we can either say the customer name is lol or the country is null, but just take note, if there are multiple people where the customer name is lol, it will update all of them. Same with the country, if there's multiple people with the country of null, it will update all of them. So that's why you'd rather go with something like the ID. So then you can hear, and we can see that's customer ID 94. So we can say customer ID is equal to 94. Now what are we saying here? We're saying update this table and then set the values contact name and city, so contact name and city, to their respective values, where the customer ID is equal to 94. So this one right here, because all the IDs are unique. So if you say run SQL, and then we uncomment this, then as you can see, the city has been filled in and the contact name has been filled in. Wow, that was one hell of a stutter. Now let's just quickly check what happens if we do this to things where there is multiple of. So let's say run SQL, and let's make the country Mexico. So let's say update, or let's choose a different, because I use this one a lot, so I'm just going to go to suppliers, and I may use it after this as well. Alright, so let's see, country UK. So let's say select star from suppliers, where country is equal to UK. And now if we were to run this SQL, there are 2 people with the country of UK. A little less than I wanted, but it's fine. Now let's say we say update, and we say what is this? Suppliers set, and then the values we want to set. So let's say supplier name, and let's say this guy accidentally mistyped it, so now it is Bazaka instead of Baraka. And in the contact name, and now this guy says, okay, so this guy is no longer Peter Wilson. He is now Jackie Marvis. Everything else stayed the same except for the let's see, the postal code. Yeah, let's go for that. Postal code. And he made the postal code ZZZ123 or whatnot. And he went where? And instead of saying the ID, he said country is equal to UK. Some of you might have already caught on what's going to happen right now. So we're saying update this table right here. Set the supplier name, the contact name in the postal code to their respective values. So update them, give them new values. Where the country is UK. Now look what's going to happen. If I say run, 2 rows affected. Not 1, but 2 rows affected. And then if I were to remove this, now there are 2 suppliers, the same suppliers, but in different cities, but they both change. We only wanted to change this one with the ID of 8, but because we said UK, and this one was also UK, it changed both of them. And that's why you gotta make sure to not change just something that can be duplicated. Go for something like the ID, which has a special value for each and every row. And yeah, that's the basics of update. Not too much. Usually everything in SQL is fairly simple. Now you know how to update and how to insert. We can maybe go for deleting in the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and see you all in the next video.